now it's time to rebuild the runtime application. Go into build, and we're going to need to get rid of, and have to uninstall these basically, all this Halo stuff that was created. So the way we're going to do that, we'll use xargs to remove everything in there. Then we will do a cleaning of our build directory as well. Right, and then lastly, I'm going to delete that build directory. Now we need to check out the newer version because this was synced to version 4.19. The 4.23.0 is what we want now. We are going to build our configs. Right, now that that has finished creating those, it's time to build the application. And this part will take anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. So this is one of those you want to just let do its thing and move on to something else and then come back later. All right, now that that is finished, it's time to verify. All right, we have the right version. Now let's make sure that we can talk to it. All right, that looks great. Now what I'm going to do, let's go ahead and run a benchmark with the new version to see if maybe we saw some improvements. Let's see, how's that? All right, we're going to look at the ones that are for the H8. Benchmark. Let's start with the smallest one there. See if we see any noticeable improvement, because they did make some pretty big changes between 4.19 and 4.23. "18 frames a second on that one, looking like 21 on this one. And let's see our latency, 43 milliseconds, 50 milliseconds, so not the best stats. Still under 1 watt, that is fantastic. Now let's do the same against YOLO V8. We'll do this one. So we did the smallest one, now we're doing the largest one. Okay, getting up there to 30, 38. We're going to hit 40. Oh, nope. All right, streaming. Oof, that's pretty low on the streaming. Okay. It's climbing. It's getting better. Okay. Hey, we hit 40. Oh, that latency is much lower. 13 milliseconds. That's fantastic. I think under like 33 milliseconds might be the sweet spot for being able to continuously stream, maybe even from multiple sources, to this and have this process those images. Okay, not too bad there. We'll see you in the next video.